MAT Holdings started in the American Midwest, and from our headquarters in Long Grove, Illinois, the company has become a diversified manufacturing, marketing, and distribution company, operating globally across 3 continents and employing over 14,000 people worldwide. Our businesses, brands, and products have evolved over the years, but our vision has remained the same: to create value in everything we do, from producing materials and components businesses use in their products to making the brands that keep people safe and productive. Our business is divided into 2 sectors: automotive and consumer. Our global manufacturing resources, combined with our expertise in engineering and quality assurance, allow our automotive-focused companies to create value by designing and manufacturing quality braking and suspension components for original equipment manufacturers and aftermarket retailers of passenger, commercial, and recreational vehicle products. We also create value for consumers and retailers with fencing, lawn and garden products, pneumatic compressors and tools, and outdoor power equipment. And we provide distribution and logistics services to manufacturers by delivering their products to retailers, and maintain over 2 million square feet of strategically located warehouse space across the U.S. Our core business philosophy is that we invest in businesses where we can create value through process improvement, global supply and distribution, scale and scope economies, and engineering and marketing expertise. MAT Holdings is a privately held, family-owned company comprised of a family of businesses and employees. MAT Holdings, creating value in everything we do. Visit our website at matholdingsinc.com.